In this video, we'll go over some common camera movement terms and what they mean. Let's get started. Pan. The camera pivots horizontally from a fixed position, scanning the scene from side to side. Tilt. The camera moves vertically on a fixed axis, looking up or down. Zoom. Adjusting the camera lens to make the subject appear closer or farther away. Dolly. The camera physically moves forward or backward, typically on a track or wheeled rig. Crane shot. The camera is mounted on a crane or similar device, allowing it to move vertically up or down. Steadicam shot. A smooth and steady shot achieved using a stabilizing rig worn by the camera operator, allowing for handheld movement. Aerial shot. Captured from a high point of view, often using a drone or helicopter, providing an aerial perspective of the scene. Whip pan. A quick and fast movement of the camera from one point to another, creating a blurred or transitional effect. Rack focus. Shifting the focus smoothly between different subjects or planes within the same shot, selectively changing what's in focus. Time lapse. Capturing a series of frames at a lower frame rate than what is used for playback, resulting in a sped-up effect when played back at a normal frame rate. These camera angles and movements are used in film, television, and video production to enhance storytelling, convey emotions, and create visual interest.